Welcome to Letsrollq. This is a quick video to show you this product. This is a cover for a key fob, for a Ford Fusion key fob, and that will be in my case, but I don't know if it might work for something else. This is the product number. Um, I got it through Amazon. So let me see here. So I'm gonna show you quick. I'm trying to do this with one hand, but it's pretty easy. So okay, put it right there. Okay, so now to keep this on so it doesn't come off, you put the other part right here, and by the magic of video, so this is what I put in there. I put a double just in case. This is my liner. The opening for the key. It might be a little bit hard. I just have to adjust a little bit so I can open. There you go. All right, so you go, and the bottom shows the logo of the vehicle. So there you go. So this is a quick video. I'm gonna put more pictures in Amazon, and the video will be connected to the Amazon. Thanks for watching.